In this video, I'll show you how you can cancel your Canva subscription. So this is very simple. Once you are on Canva main page, all you need to do is in bottom left corner, click on your profile, then choose settings. From here, scroll on the left side and choose billing. And from here, you will see your subscription. And if you want to cancel it, you just need to click on cancel plan. Then, if you are sure you want to cancel, you will lose all these features. When you are sure, just click on continue cancellation. Then what you can do, you can choose reason why you are canceling. So let's say I am not using Canva often enough, and then continue cancellation. And your subscription has been cancelled. Then you have this date when your subscription ends. So this is how you can cancel your Canva subscription. So if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.